In this Regal Assets review, you will learn the real truth about the company that other reviews will not tell you. But first, I want to ask you a question. Is investing in precious metals a good decision? Look, you've worked hard over the years for your money, and you deserve protection for your wealth. At the moment, the Federal Reserve is working to keep Wall Street alive, and we're all paying for this. Gold, silver, and other precious metals will work hard for you to maintain and improve your wealth. You need certainty with your investments. Let's face it, the future of the global economy looks very uncertain for many years to come. With the dollar devaluing and the real risk of inflation upon us, it's good to know that precious metals are the only hard currency that have stood the test of time and seen growth at or above inflation for a very long time. These days, diversification of your assets is very important, especially with retirement plans. The government are printing more money in an attempt to solve economic problems, and every time this happens, the value of your dollars decline. Allocating a percentage of your assets into a self-directed IRA is an excellent way to stop this devaluation. Not only will gold and other precious metals protect you against inflation and other economic problems, they're the world's only universal hard currency. Gold buying marketplaces operate 24 hours a day, every day, and you can easily liquefy your precious metal assets if the need arises. Now that you're convinced that precious metals are a sound investment, here's another question. What do you expect from a precious metals company? There are many precious metal companies out there, and here's the minimum you should expect from them. They really care about you and your precious metal investments. They'll help and advise you every step of the way. They have an excellent reputation in the market. They provide full accountability for all orders until they reach you or a safe storage facility. They deliver all orders fast. They can create a new IRA account for you fast. They can enable fast transaction of funds from other custodians. The real truth is, very few precious metal companies can meet these expectations. Let's dig a little deeper into this. When you invest in precious metals, you want to receive the very best customer service. So in this Regal Assets review video, we'll help you to find the best precious metal company to handle your investments. This will be achieved by considering the following questions. Do they really care? Are they just order takes? Will they offer advice and guidance? There are many sad stories in this market where customers have been laughed at because they don't know exactly what they want. Do they have fast delivery targets, and do they meet them? Do they have thousands of satisfied customers who are happy to tell the world about their experience? So what about their reputation? Does the company have top ratings at the Better Business Bureau, the Business Customer Alliance, TrustLink, and Yelp? Does the company have testimonials flooding in every week about how knowledgeable and helpful the people in their company are? How about orders and deliveries? Does the company have a fully electronic order system? Does the system have full traceability? Can you track the progress of your order at any time? Does the company take full responsibility of your order until it arrives at your doorstep or at the secure storage facility? Do they ship orders within 7 business days? If they do not meet this delivery target, will they send you a valuable gift free of charge? What about IRA accounts and transfers? Will the company set up a new IRA account within 48 business hours? Will they waive all charges for the first year, saving you around $700? Will they ship to a secure storage facility within 7 business days? Do they offer free advice on avoiding tax penalties with IRA rollovers? Will they transfer funds from another custodian account within 48 business hours? The truth is that only Regal Assets ticks all of the above boxes. They have thousands of really happy customers. Don't trust anybody else with your precious metals investments because they won't match up. Click the link below this Regal Assets Review video and see for yourself how good they really are.